Do you think that global challenges can be solved by few politicians and diplomats alone? Or do we need to include as many stakeholders as possible? Global Diplomacy Lab is a vibrant, new, members-driven initiative that aims at exploring new approaches to diplomacy. It was founded in 2014 as an initiative and collaboration between German government and a number of different organizations. Just like 200 other women and men, I also joined the Global Diplomacy Lab and became an active member there. So diplomacy is known for being exclusive, elitist, something that is done behind the closed doors. You might be wondering yourself, how about including engineers into negotiations about climate change agreements? A wall. Maybe religious leaders and local chiefs in African countries have something to say about development and population dynamics. A wall. How about civil society and migration? A wall again. But these challenges know no walls. We, as Global Diplomacy Lab members, aim at breaking the wall of exclusive diplomacy. We talk to each other directly, openly, and with respect and based on mutual trust. How often is this in diplomacy? We talk directly to relevant institutions and actors. We exchange knowledge and skills, and we apply new formats of communication in our work. How often is that in diplomacy? We address, as Global Diplomacy Lab members, consequences of the climate change. They are obvious and they impact individuals, families, cities, states, continents. Even though heavily affected, many voices remain unheard. But how do we solve a problem if we don't include those who are heavily affected? There is one saying that describes many problems in diplomacy. There are always three sides of everything. One that you see, one that I see, and one that no one of us can see. That is why global challenges of today need to be addressed through a more inclusive diplomacy. Thank you.